Hello, healthy heroes. Captain Create here. If someone asked you what was the best smelling food to come straight out of the oven, what would you say?
Ooh. Homemade bread. Freshly baked bread.
Pizza.
What is the best smelling food to come straight out of the oven?
Lasagna, definitely.
Pizza.
Meat,
Breadsticks.
any kind of meat.
Brownies.
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 I'm a bread person, so to me, that's homemade bread.
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 Blueberry muffins. Red velvet cake.
I think the best smelling food to come straight out of the oven is home-baked bread.
Ooh, baked bread.
It could be wheat bread or white bread, any kind of bread. Delicious.
Banana bread.
Cake. Berry pie.
Berry pie.
Probably chocolate chip cookies.
Homemade pumpkin cookies.
Peanut butter cookies.
That would be bread, because it just fills the entire house and you can smell it wherever you're at.
Peach cobbler.
Cake.
And I just love bread as well. It's one of my favorite things to eat.
Did you notice any patterns? There were a lot of different types of answers because there are so many delicious baked goods. But there was one answer that was repeated over and over, and that was bread, or some type of bread. And I would have to agree. I love the smell of freshly baked bread. Did you know that bread, like so many of the other answers given, is a food in the grains food group? Well, what exactly is a grain? A grain is a dry seed from a grass-type plant. Here are some examples. And there are even more grains than these. Now let's learn why they are so important.
Excellent. Grains are important because they are a primary source of energy, so you can do all the cool things you do. They also provide nutrients like fiber, which is so important, B vitamins, vitamin E, and minerals like iron, zinc, and more. In fact, you should get about 6 ounces of grains a day. 1 ounce looks like 1 slice of bread, a small tortilla, small muffin, mini bagel, or 1 pancake, 1 cup of cereal, a half cup of cooked oats, rice, or pasta, or about 5 to 7 crackers depending on their size, and even 3 cups of popcorn.
Wow, I could definitely eat that.
But now for the real challenge. I'm going to show you different whole grains, like these two. You will then have 10 seconds to choose which grain it is. Keep track of your score, or don't and say you did. Well, how'd you do? If you got 5 points, you got them all right. But no matter how many points you got, thanks for playing. Let's end with a grain joke. A man travels the world telling everyone, I'm going to make the greatest whole grain blend. I'm ready to make the ultimate sack of rice. All joking aside, grains are a wonderful food, especially whole grains. Check out the links below for more information, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Create.